Y'a ma main dans la fenêtre, Titanic. Y'a des choses que je comprendrai jamais, pyramide. Et j'ai pensé tomber contre toi, italique. J'entends toujours le son de ta voix qui m'habite, mon âme.
Hi, let's start with the introduction. So here's the first chart, and you will start by playing the notes of F sharp, A, E, and D. And at the same time, you play the F sharp bass like this. Then you're gonna play the F sharp bass alone and play the F sharp, the D, and the C sharp.
Y'a ma main dans la fenêtre.
And now you will move on to the verse with this new chart, and you will have the B minor composed of the D, the F sharp, and the B, and the bass note of B. Then the D major composed of the D, the F sharp, and the A, and the bass note of D. Next, the F sharp minor composed of the C sharp, the F sharp, and the A, and the bass note of F sharp. And eventually, the E major composed of the E, the G sharp, and the B, and the bass note of E. And here's how you're gonna play these chords. 1, 2, 3, 4. So on 1, you play bass and chord. On 2, you play the chord alone, and you repeat that for the 3 and the 4. 3, 4. It should sound like this.
Y'a ma 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Y'a ma main dans la fenêtre, Titanic. Y'a des choses que je comprendrai jamais, pyramide. Et j'ai pensé tomber contre toi, italique. J'entends toujours le son de ta voix qui m'habite, mon amour.
So as you noticed, this method works perfectly, but you could also play in arpeggios. So let me display an adjusted chart, and this time you will play like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you're gonna do this for each chord.
Y'a ma 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4.
And you repeat.
Y'a ma main dans la fenêtre, Titanic. Y'a des choses que je comprendrai jamais, pyramide. Et j'ai pensé tomber contre toi, italique. J'entends toujours le son de ta voix qui m'habite, mon amour.
So you will need to choose your preferred method and repeat that chart twice in a row for the verse. Then you reach the pre-chorus, and even if you could continue with this same chart, I suggest you press and hold these chords for 4 beats like this.
Mon amour, I've been away, now I'm back to you. Cet animal, you make me feel good.
And you reach the chorus, which you're gonna play with your preferred method, so either using blocked chords.
You make me feel good. La main sur ma taille, ensemble dans le taxi, c'est vraiment super sexy. You make me feel nice, frisson every time. J'y ai pensé 1000 fois. If you want me, dis-moi. You make me feel good.
Or you play in arpeggios with this adapted chart.
You make me feel good. La main sur la taille, ensemble dans le taxi, c'est vraiment super sexy. You make me feel nice, frisson every time. J'y ai pensé 1000 fois. If you want me, dis-moi. You make me feel good.
So you played this chart twice, and you will need to play it again the same way, so 4 times in total for the chorus. The second verse, pre-chorus, and chorus will also be played with that same chord order, and same goes for the upcoming bridge and the last chorus. And you will finish this song with the E major. I wish you good luck, and I will see you in the next one.